talking to me, and I said, where are you? He said, I'm not really sure.
Yeah, not really sure.
I should ask a more direct question. Are you at camp or you're not at camp? Yeah, we're going along. He's like, I got a signal. Stop. Yeah, boy, take advantage of that when you can.
Oh, yeah, you do, yeah.
Yeah, we found some trails that were weren't really sure if we were still on class 4s or not.
Those are the best ones to find, right?
We were.
You push the trails down, or you push the small trees over.
Just about.
We figured we'd claim ignorance.
That's okay.
Yeah.
It's mostly true, right?
Well, it's even better than that. We were on trails in the area that the state park ranger said it's okay to go there. There's a bunch of trails back there. So,
Sticking with the story.
the ranger tells you it's okay.
Well, there are areas set aside for that type of thing, so.
Yeah, I was just going to say, Dustin told me to go here.
I was just going to say, it's the road on the map.
I found a really good trail. You know? Okay if I take this one down. I keep thinking if something's going to swing and hit me in the head. It's not.
Sure, if you need to.
I'll hang it off this right here.
Claim no liability.
Well, I better drink down a little bit more. I like this trip. Can I go back?
You can walk.
Silver Lake down there? See what looks like water.
This is the trail I'm thinking it is. Of course, I don't know where any of these trails are, so.
Right here, right in front of you.
Well, yeah. I mean,
Yeah, I'm putting my head in here. That's going to get... Can't be too far if there's people walking.
you'd be surprised.
Man, that is an old birch tree. Look at that big. This has been around a long time.
That's the most rugged we've done all day.
Yeah. Oh, one of Mom's favorite bridges.
She doesn't like crossing that, or?
I don't know about that one. She just doesn't like snow machine bridges.
She thinks you're going to fall in on her. I usually like to get out and look. It's the
Apparently
first
he
time.
thinks, yeah, that one's kind of scary.
First time I've been across it, I like to get out and have a look. But
Sagging a little.
Since half of that's missing, I'm not going to attempt it.
if you go fast enough, you should be okay.
I don't know.
Yeah, freaking logs are rotted out. No, I guess not. Probably hold up the snow machine. Look like old telephone poles.